best way to clean your bilge is to pay someone to do it. The second best way
Kalea smelled really bad and was about 40 years overdue for a proper bilge cleaning. The residual diesel, oil, bilge grime, and probably mold was overwhelming, hence my delusional but strong suggestion to get a professional with proper equipment to clean it for you. In this video, Dave and I will clean and paint our bilge and make Kalea smell new again.
I don't want to boat anymore.
Hey, I'm Christy. This is Dave. We live on Oahu. This is our sailboat. We're super stoked to share our experience sailing around Hawaii with you. Welcome aboard, Kalea.
The first thing we did was throw bilge diapers into the deepest part of the bilge where all the water was and soak up all the oil. Oh. She is removing the coupler that pretty much adapted the prop shaft to the old engine because the new company makes their own couplers, and she got the nut.
It started raining, so we left. I had a busy week, but Dave had some free time. We came back the following weekend to finish the job.
My buddy Dylan and I took the dinghy outside Waikiki to spear a few fish. I ended up catching a couple of minpachi, and he caught a couple of uhu for dinner.
So I did a preliminary scrub with this gross bilge water and some bilge cleaner. I'm going to fill it with some more fresh water.
We tried to hit everything with the wet vac over here.
We didn't buy an actual wet vac, we just bought the top of a wet vac. So you just put it on top of a bucket.
Yeah, it goes in any bucket. But then when it like suctioned onto something flat, it like compressed the bucket like that and it put a hole in it and it was full. So everything was just vacuumed up. Just ended up, some of it ended up inside on the floor.
We have been cleaning the bilge since 1. Every time I want to come and clean the bilge, we want to get here at like 10, but we never end up getting here until 1. So that's how
No one wants to do it.
Yeah, because we don't want to do it. So I contacted someone to clean the bilge for us, but I mean, Dave and I can barely reach into the spots that are, like, some parts of the bilge are just, they're all disgusting, and they're so small. I'm like in these weird contorted positions just to get to them, and I barely reach them. So we're doing it ourselves. Builds character, as Dave says. These are the bare bones of our boat.
After wetbacking, we had to assess any water damage. It didn't really seem like it was painted before, so it chipped away at some fiberglass, but it was very minor, so we didn't have to do really any repairs to it, which we were quite lucky. I'm going to be painting bilge with this bilge paint our friend gave us.
Like a different boat.
Well,
it's not gonna smell anymore.
It's gonna look like the same one because this will all be covered.
Right? Imagine doing all this work for something you're never gonna see. As you can see, there's like really intense technique that goes into this. Like,
yeah, that's textbook technique.
Textbook. All the taping done too. We've really excelled in this category.